Hi, so hopefully you've had a chance to take a look at the other videos that we've presented on BacklogZero so far, including a demo, as well as looking beyond the foundation at ways to customize and make BacklogZero 100% yours. Here we'll be talking a little bit about how Level Up came to create BacklogZero in the first place. So we're really proud of the fact that in general with the AI agents that we're going to market with now, that these have demonstrated internal value for us before we've gone ahead and made them available to our clients. BacklogZero is certainly something that we're proud to share. A guiding philosophy for us in terms of anything that we do with agentic AI is that work in progress comes at a cost. Classic management theory, DevOps frameworks tend to divide work into four different kinds or types. Business projects, things that drive revenue, CEOs care a lot about them. Internal projects, CIOs, CTOs generally care about these a little bit more. Internal teams in IT and technology in general will often have the initiative there. But then the bottom half of these work types, changes in unplanned work, this is where it can get pretty tricky to find the balance and make sure that all the work is getting done. And so when we think about work in progress or WIP, what happens as additional tasks come in is that the wait times really go through the roof. So even in this table, it's kind of being presented a little bit more linearly, shows up a little bit better here that we're probably only going to have a certain amount of bandwidth at any time. But in order to address our user needs and the things that are being requested of us as a technology team, we're going to have to get creative sometimes about what we do. And again, we're not immune to this as a consulting firm. We have to prioritize things. We have to find ways to reduce the cycle time, get more work through that's high quality. The demo that we shared, that's an initial playbook sketch that I was doing really live on the screen, that not carefully looking at what's in that playbook. Certainly there's a lot more thought that goes into any kind of infrastructure as code or non-infrastructure as code that you would be developing with LLMs. Hopefully you're reading anything that you're working with chatbots and so forth very carefully these days. But anything that can be done to sort of get you started and get you rolling, we think of as being extremely valuable. And so that's why we've brought this forward as something that we're offering to our clients. BacklogZero is generally available now. Lots of ways to reach out to us. Thanks so much for watching.